there, my name is Jen and welcome to the Chiu family. Today's video is going to be all about Korean versus Japanese skincare. Are you excited? I wanted to do this video because there was a lot of talk and lots of trends on Korean skincare, but I also really want to talk about Japanese skincare. There are some things in the Japanese skincare routine that are also very helpful as well. There are lots of similarities and differences between the two skincare routines, and I want to show you guys what they are. Also, you guys, if you want to see me other than on here on YouTube, I'm also on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, so make sure you go and add me over there if you want to see behind the scenes, what I do normally in my everyday life, because I love to see you there too. Okay, let's get started. To start, the cleansing process is similar in both Korean and Japanese skincare. Both use the two-step process, and I'll be using my trusty Chiu Gentle Oil Cleanser for this first. I like applying this on dry skin, work it in circular motions, and then when the water is added to it, it'll soap up, and then taking a warm towel, I'm going to place it over my face for a few seconds and then wipe clean. Step 2, using a foam cleanser. You guys know this. This one is a mochi skin cleanser I actually bought in Japan, and I love how thick it is. It even has the consistency of mochi. For those of you guys who have had mochi, leave a dango emoji below if you love mochi too. Now, using a foam cleanser is used in both skincare routines, and it helps give the skin a deep clean, especially after using the oil cleanser. First oil to help get rid of all the gunk, and then the foam to really give it a nice squeaky clean. Now on the Korean side, it's time to exfoliate, and not in the traditional sense with scrubby beads like we're all used to, but using a peel. I'll be using the V-Shade Night Peel, which is used with a cotton pad to help exfoliate the skin overnight. This is the type of exfoliating that is used in Korean skincare. On the Japanese side, it's time to clean pores, especially with an extractor tool. This is especially helpful if you have big pores around the nose area and if your skin tends to be oily. The extractor tool helps by gently pushing out blackheads and whiteheads. Tip: always sanitize before extracting. The next few steps are quite similar on both sides, starting with toning. I've been using the Pixi Beauty Retinol Tonic to help create smoother and softer skin. Anti-aging is also a huge part in both routines, so having peptides that help firm skin and boost collagen is super important. Grab 2 cotton pads and place them in between your middle finger, and then evenly apply pressure all over the face and neck and let it fully absorb. Then it's time for essence. As you guys know, this is a huge thing in Asian skincare. My go-to is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. Again, using the same technique as I did with the toner, I'm going to apply this all over the face and neck again. Serum is also a huge part of both skincare routines, as many of you know, and recently my favorite has been the Guerlain Abbé Royal Double R Serum. This serum has 2 chambers, one that targets radiance, wrinkles, and pores, and another that works on firmness, contours, and elasticity. What I love to do with this is use my fingertips and do little dabbing motions all over the face and neck to really help with those fine lines and wrinkles. This video wouldn't be complete without sheet masks. Korean and Japanese skincare routines love sheet masks. They offer hydration, they're moisturizing, and honestly, it's just fun to do when you're having a stressful day. So why not make a spa day out of it? Whenever I'm feeling a little bit down, or if I'm feeling a little bit, out of whack, I'll do a little spa day, put on a sheet mask, and I'm feeling great. Here's a tip. For sheet mask newbies, don't rinse off the moisture. Usually there's quite a bit left over. Just air dry and massage it into the skin. Now for some differences. On the Korean side, it's important to apply eye cream. The more hydrating, the better, and the one I'm using here is the All About Eyes from Clinique. Pop this guy into the fridge to give your under eyes a cooling refresh. Now the big difference here is on the Japanese side. They like to use facial rollers, as many of you guys have probably seen all over social media. The Jade rollers. I was lucky enough to try this one out from Midnight Paloma. The rollers are made to help depuff under eyes and increase circulation. Here's a tip: pop it in the fridge for a few minutes for a refreshing face massage. When it comes to moisturizers, Koreans love hydration, so that means creams that hold in moisture. The one I love for this is the Pixi Beauty Ceramide Cream. Korean skincare is all about supple and super moisturized skin, aka glass skin. And if you guys haven't seen my video on that, I'll link it up here if you want to watch it after this video. For the Japanese side, hydration is also key, but a bit more on the lighter side. A gel moisturizer like this Japanese one from Sekisai is a herbal gel which is perfect for smooth, snow-like skin. It's translucent and moisturizing, which is a bonus for Japanese skincare. And to top both of these skincare routines off, SPF is a must, and it's always applied on last. My recent favorite has been the Clinique Super City Block with SPF 40. It's tinted, which is great for me. I like to apply SPF at least 30 minutes before sun exposure to make sure sure I get full protection. What's the difference? Well, here's what I think. Korean beauty lines are growing at a fast rate and they tend to focus on the latest trends which make them very popular. The Japanese have a world of their own, focusing on skincare rituals that have been around for ages. So those are the differences, in my opinion, between Japanese and Korean skincare. These two skincare routines I find are very helpful. Who wins? I think it really depends on what you're looking for in your routine. For me, I find that they are both very similar in a sense, so I take pieces of each skincare routine and make it my own. And you can do the same thing. You don't have to follow it step by step. You have to do what works for your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, more skincare routines, make sure you comment below and let me know what type of skincare routines you guys want to see. I love you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one.